If the spin basket finishes tilted to the front like this, instead of right on the middle like it should be, check for a broken counterweight spring. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Open the controls panel and remove the cabinet. Tie a piece of rope around the tub to hold the back panel in place. Here is a view of a broken counterweight spring. To replace the broken spring, remove it from the top bracket and install a new one on the top bracket and let it hang. If the hole in the frame is okay, just stretch the spring and hook it into the hole like this. If the hole is rusted out or is too big, drill a 1/8 of an inch hole next to the old hole like this. Stretch the spring and install it on the new hole. Now move the drum to see how good the spring works. Remove the rope, install the cabinet, and close the controls panel. That was how you get the spin basket to be in the middle again.